In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve Instagram story quality. So once you open your Instagram application, just tap on your profile at the bottom right and then tap the three horizontal lines on the upper right. Click on Settings and Privacy and then scroll all the way down until you find the data usage and media quality. So if you find it hard to find this one, just go ahead and search data usage and then it will appear here. Just click that one and then you will see here the upload at highest quality. It says here always upload the highest quality photos and videos even if uploading takes longer. When this is off, we'll automatically adjust upload quality to fit network condition. So just toggle that one to enable this one. Now the other ways to improve Instagram story quality is to use your camera. So when you're using your camera, you can choose here a quality that you want and then you can go back to your Instagram and on your story you can select a video or picture in your gallery and then upload it to your Instagram story. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.